Have you been annoyed by the Pfui Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze localized application UI manifest dependency and restore that missing file. For professional-grade Pfui library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Pfui library, the Player Framework UI module. This library provides unmanaged GDI or WPF-based rendering for media player control bars, play, pause, seek. It facilitates the visual orchestration of the media playback manifest and manages the data link between the user UI and the underlying media bitstream engine. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The Pfui Library DLL module is a localized part of the Localized application UI manifest integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Pfui library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Pfui library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Pfui library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Pfui library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.